guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Wowebony wig right here. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with an elastic band, a big one, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. It comes with 3 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, and it also comes with an elastic strap as well as an elastic band inside the cap. So the elastic band in the cap is a small one, and there's also an extra big elastic band in the box in case that's the look you're going for. Guys, look at the hairline. The hairline has been pre-plucked straight from the box, so if you're the type that like your hairline pre-plucked straight from the box, then this is definitely for you, because the knots has also been bleached, so you don't have to do anything with this wig at all. So all I did was just to cut the lace, apply the glue, and I am good to go. Keep in mind that this hair is actually beginner friendly, so you don't need any glue or gel to install it. But as you guys already know, I like to wear my wigs for a while before doing the voiceover, so I'll be able to tell you guys the gist and tea about the wig. But otherwise, you can wear this wig without any glue or gel. There's an elastic band in the wig, so you can use that to secure your hair as well, and you'll be good to go. But I just prefer to use glue because I like to wear the hair for a while before doing an in-depth review in my voiceover, if that makes sense. So I applied the glue on the areas where I was going to apply the lace, and when the glue went invisible, I placed the hairline exactly on the areas where I applied the glue, and I cut the extra lace off the wig, and yeah, that's it. That's all I did. And as you guys can tell, the lace is transparent HD lace. You can see that it's very close to my skin tone. Look at that, guys. Where is the lace? Please show me the lace, sis. Show me the lace. The hairline is bomb, like amazing. I am quite impressed with the quality of the hair as well. And please bear in mind that you can pat the hair anywhere you like. You can go for center parts, half parts, all types of parts you decide to go for, because the hair is actually 13×6, so you have enough room to pat the hair all the way to the back. And as you guys can tell, I showed you guys all the styles that I would go for. You can do half up, half down. You can do, rough bun. You can do ponytail. You can do all styles that you decide to go for with this hair, and you will be good to go. And look at that, guys. I'm quite impressed about how full the hair is, and yet the hair was really lightweight on my head. And as I'm speaking right now, I still have the hair on my head, and the quality is top notch, guys. I've been wearing this hair for almost a week now, and I'm still feeling myself without any hassle whatsoever, and the hair is popping. Like, seriously, look at that. I also showed you guys, look at that. There's no need for you to apply any concealer or foundation on it, because the knot has been bleached from the box, so you don't need to worry about applying any concealer or foundation on your parts. And also, another thing that I like about this is the fact that you can also wear the hair wet. To activate the coil, all you need is just water, and that's exactly what I did. The hair is also true to length, in my opinion. As you can tell, it's 20 inches, and it's far below my boobs. So yeah, the hair is really full. Look at that. I showed you guys how to wear this hair wet. All I did was just apply water to activate the coils, and the coils were popping. I applied water on the hair, and I also applied the VO5 serum on the hair just to give it a little bit of shine. But apart from that, all you need is water to activate the coils, and the coils were popping. Look at that. Look at that. I am loving it so far. And also, when I applied water on the hair, for some reason the hairline turned even more invisible. Like, I was feeling the hairline more. Look at that, guys. Look at that. There was no tangling, there was no shedding, there was no splits, and it was so heavy. The hair was really full up to the brim. Look at that, guys. I am feeling myself, like, seriously. So yeah, so far so good. I am feeling the hair, and I am feeling the curls. As I'm speaking right now, I'm rubbing my hands on the hair, because I am loving it. Like, seriously, stay tuned to my review, and I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Wowebony hair right here. Guys, look at that. The curls are popping. So I'm just going to go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing that I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. This hair is to me, in my opinion, is a kind of a beginner friendly hair. Like, you don't need to do anything, seriously. Everything has been done for you straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about plucking your hair, you don't have to worry about bleaching your knot, you don't have to worry about baby hair, because the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. Another thing that I like about this hair, that I really love about this hair, you know, is the lace. Like, why is the lace? You have to get into my space, like come into my eyes to find out if there is a lace or not. Look at that, guys. The lace is melted. Like, seriously, the lace is melted. The lace of this wig for me is the selling point of this hair, guys. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly without any stress whatsoever. All I did was just cut the lace and, you know, press the hair on my, you know, skin, and that's it. The lace is melted. I am a huge fan. That for me is a no-brainer. Like, how did they do that? And also another thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that if you're the type that you don't really like, you know, applying glue or gel on your hair, then they gave you two options. One, there's an elastic band inside the cap of the wig, and also there's another elastic band right here, which is an extra elastic band. If you're the type that like that, you know, big kind of elastic band, I know some of my friends that prefer to, you know, use big elastic band, so you've got that option as well. But if you like smaller elastic band like the one that I'm wearing right now, then that's also an option for you to secure the hair. So on days that you don't, you know, you don't feel like wearing any glue or gel, you can just slap on the elastic band and you're good to go. I showed you guys earlier, the wig also comes with an elastic strap as well, if that's the look you're going for. That's another thing that I really like about most wigs anyway. So the elastic strap can also be adjusted to your own taste or head size, so that's also an option for you to secure your hair without needing to apply any glue or gel to your hair. But if you're the type that like glue or like gel, that's also an option. And if you want to melt the lace and have the hair on your head for a long time, then the glue or gel is your option. Another thing that I like about this hair is the quality of the hair, and I'll tell you why, guys. It's not a matter of the fact that, oh, you're just wearing the hair for the first time. Guys, there are some hair that you open in the box, straight from the box, and you'll be like, wow, like seriously, this is one of those hair. Like, when I unboxed it, like when I opened it, bring it out of the bag, I was like, seriously? The texture of the hair felt so real. The volume of the hair is absolutely, you know, amazing for me, in my opinion. Amazing. As you guys can tell earlier, when I, you know, brush out the curls without applying any products on the hair was really full. And the most amazing thing about that is the fact that, despite the fact that the hair was really full on my head, it was lightweight. I didn't feel like I was wearing anything. I was like, I don't know if you guys saw that part. That was like, seriously, it's so soft and very full, but at the same time it's so lightweight on my head, which is what I really like about this hair a lot. The quality of the hair for me is the most important thing, and with this one I'll definitely give them A+, because the quality of this hair is just amazing. The quality of this hair is just top notch for me, in my opinion, and I'm still going to wear this hair for a while. You guys already know that I like applying glue on to install my hair, so I'll be able to have time to do another review for you with my voiceover. So yeah, I'm still going to wear the hair for a while, so I'll be able to give you guys more details and just about this hair while I edit the video. So another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that there was no nasty smell whatsoever. Some hair that when you unbox them, you can already smell that horrible smell from them, but with this one there was no nasty smell at all. The hair does not have any nasty smell to it whatsoever. In terms of the shipping took about 3 days to get here, exactly 3 days to get here in the UK, because you can expect to get your hair exactly when you need it, in case you have any occasion, you know, in a few days time and all that. So that for me is also an amazing part of this brand that I really like a lot. Although it's my first time working with them, but so far so good. In terms of the quality of the hair, I'm quite a huge fan. Look at that, guys. There is no shedding. Look at that. There is no shedding. There is no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of the hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all or tangling at all. And as you can tell, the hair is already getting dried as well, which is really nice and fluffy, very soft. Like seriously, I am a huge fan of this hair. As I showed you guys earlier when I got up, the hair is 20 inches and it's also true to length. So if you don't know Wowebony, they are a hair company that sells all types of hair on their website. They have silky straight hair, they have lace frontal wig, they have bundles, they have all types of hair on their website. And the amazing thing is the fact that they always have offers on their website as well. And in case you don't know, they also sell colored hair. In case that's the look you're going for, they have already made colored hair on their website. They have, you know, two-toned hairstyles on their website. They have red, they have blonde, they have all types of hairstyles and colors on their website as well, if that's the look you're going for. As you guys can tell, the curls are popping. Like seriously, look at that. The hair is full, and even despite the fact that the hair is wet, you can still tell that the hair is really full. The hair is full to the brim. Did you see that? There is no split ends, there is no arch shaft, or you know, all those tiny pieces everywhere on the hair, which I really don't like. There's nothing of such at all. Everything is the same thing. To have the length of the hair, they are the same length and they're very full. You need to see this bit of the hair, guys. It's so full and very curly. Look at that. I am loving this curls, like seriously, angle free kind of hair, which I am loving at the moment. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one.